we will give 24 hours power supply, and if people require facilities, they have to be like if I want to pull a pole, if I want to put a tower, we will compensate for that area. I assure that we will not buy that area, but even that market rate, 50% or 70% of the market rate value will give them, and we will not sign, we will not take over, but we will lay the cable and the land can belong to them. So I am bringing in lot of new ideas into making power 24 hours, which over a period of time. Unfortunately for me, I am inheriting a portfolio which does not have proper chief engineer. He is on extension. No proper additional chief engineers, no SCs, and there is nothing down the line for the next 5-6 years for promotioning them. And I do not want people from outside the department to come directly, because then you have infighting. Like I have noticed when it was done 3 years back, bringing an outsider in the department and then they don't cooperate. So I will ask Honorable Chief Minister, you are all aware that 31st on Wednesday, Chief Minister is having his first cabinet, official cabinet at his residence, and in that cabinet I am going to ask Chief Minister whether I can do one-time relaxation in increasing the giving relaxation in RRs and in qualification, and giving seniority based promotion for one time. I had asked 45 days. I think I have completed 30 days yesterday. I've still got 15 days to reply to people of Goa, and I might extend for another 10 days, because I never knew when I said 45 days on the first day itself. But seeing this scenario, it looks very difficult in giving a white paper to the people of Goa to understand what this is. As I already told you, power cables laid down 8 years down the line, 10 years down the line, 7 years down the line, and not been commissioned was never expected from me. In Margao itself, Fatorda itself, in Sheldon to Fatorda, nobody has bothered to see what is the state of these cables. They have not been functioning. People's money, almost 30-40 crores has been spent. And that is my first thing, to tackle those problems. I don't want to know who has done those things and who has stopped it, but I know that there are cables lying down. I will start testing them and seeing where they are faulted.